Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy. We back again. Osmo Pocket 3 on dick. Like, nigga, I might not even use no more cameras. No more cameras getting used this year. Filming exclusively on the Osmo Pocket 3. You see the two though. You see it in all her glory. Glory. I was trying to find the what you call, what's that damn thing called? I don't even know. Oh, I was trying to find a USB stick that had some music on it. I thought I had one in my bike. Or I know I had one in my bike, but it's not there no more. So, yeah. I mean, it does Bluetooth, but I be trying to free up my devices if I so choose to. So we got the Pioneer, NXH. Try to zoom the thing again. The MVH X360 BT in full effect. Like I said, we're making sure that we keeping them running. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna turn some corners in a minute. Okay, so gimbal recenter. I gotta kind of learn some of these commands and things. Like I said, I ain't really used a gimbal in a whole minute. And the other one, man, like the other gimbal Osmo joint that I have that you use with the phones, it's just like, man, this is so much better. Like, it's so much smaller, so much compact. Don't, like I said, tie up your devices. So. We definitely gonna have to see what it do though. But as far as the shots, I mean, all the shots gonna be smooth as shit. I can't wait till Whip Fest. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, let me see if I can't find this music stick, and then, yeah. Because I'm trying to go pull up on somebody with the motherfucking sound speeding, but I need my tunes.